ka jo dana shalat gwas me mgor no de nywa yakel ta dana shalat kirma yadit kana je kwara te ka jo me shalat gwas me kalar bu konoling me kirma yadit lat me shalat Michael McQuillos kana diala content pinde jo me jo mgorliang shukun kirma yadit jalad no atel media mi right ka kwi naka nore re kana se kana wolang atel media murai ka kwi don kama la bog nuare ka wang nuare ka atel media murach ka kwi SSPDF ta danen boken nuare ka je helicopter atel media murai ka kwi Uganda People Defense Forces ko til lat ke kuma sha ka bangach na me gwi yana a drop key way to eliminate nuare ko tele gan nuare ki media mi gun ware na kake bakana sharwai ke bi mon bajalalar this is a way to silence the voice of innocent people ko bi kan win mon bi kana tawgatin kona letkanka last kuma South Sudan they are about to commit a genocide against Nuer people jin take statement shanen no kanishi kan media na kona rach ka kwiko na Nasser na ka wolang na ka yinte ko kien chikan gorno ba kala ka social media ke ka media nan ko kien eneme mi chala de kirmi yadit kan je kware ka do mi gor kan no bika genocide became carried out against the Nuer people like we already known me she kan lat and go she kan where she kan ka level no take a hostile Nuer counties it can non hostile Nuer counties allo take a friendly Nuer and more jo mo chana level ka kwana categorize into different counties and take a counties ni choko bangwan ti jega ka county dambaro to go wajen la US ka ramu dictator mugoro naga innocent people and michikarian bang ko de korean gang ko kirma yadi tinwere taken ka resistant jejen bor te ganga gatken ganga wedien ganga dorin ganga menken ko ngeje je gwana no bumke jen goro jen oben warba kanak silently without their voice being heard by the world so no mo mulet kirma yadi da dara kulo ka yenwo goro jen obo ko rwani bo kon kanywa ko ki goro jen obe media ne ka silent ko cha bunga je mandana to ka ground so ne me kel mi chikana report ki mi chikana lat bikan peni bikan ka report mani nyingten konen tika YouTube and lat kenen wo ite ke the speech at lat ke kachikana gorno bikan killing of Nuer people bikan apal kona kan wana chianka kane all the media should be silent when they are killing Nuer people na me shi chuang kana meteleja ka justice ba and obramimo mu ye ko de jalok e just silent so kid is a silent killer against the Nuer people so ko kujamo media na kon biga yekopen gonten kon to right content amite ka media mudo kon right tinbo adentin kon lat korodian dena ka lada winmon bikan kalinga to kolin kana jamo dera mogwa kishi ngaje no tidial cha kalinga tama min jega lada kan wore so ko kujamo telemin nanga kanyin kon mite mulada we have to resist him ka bukon to resistance against his regime katada naga innocent children innocent elderly women so to togan dial ka to goro bana ke gwich na me jom dogo kondial kirma yadi dictator and chenwer more than 40,000 or 400,000 people cheka kill ke 2013 and is about to commit this outer cities again in this 2025 we cannot be allowed by the Nuer people by any means we have to condemn him and bana je demand bon wojen darabin pindo wikwam na me jom do hi ndial a koncha silent ke media ko bana jo content we kan wer kon bana kalat